Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail world, what it do, man. We already finna get out here, start today. It's Saturday, so by the time y'all see this video, it'll be Sunday, but you already know how it goes. Today we got 3 appointments at one house, then we got one house call after that. Hopefully, she say she out of town, so hopefully she did leave her keys, things like that. Usually I leave her door unlocked anyway, but anyway, van tire costs $161. We're gonna pick that up tomorrow. We're gonna get that fixed, and then we don't have to worry about that anymore. Still got the kids with me. They still on New Year's break. Like I said, one of the cars I do on a regular. We just haven't done it in a while. I think she actually said she got a new car. Then she also want me to do her daughter cars. But other than that, y'all already know how it go. I want y'all to stay dedicated to whatever you got going on. Remember, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, man. Just go ahead and hit it, and you know we're gonna keep growing. We on the way to go. Let you know we gonna glow, and I'm gonna go ahead and show up, show out, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do so you can do what you gotta do, or you do what you gotta do so I can do what you gotta do, man. One love, and I'm gonna catch you at the first stop. Peace. Detail world, y'all already know what it do, man. We done made it to this first appointment. We doing this Chevy Trailblazer, man. And right now we already working on the interior, but if you see the exterior, it looked like she came from somewhere where it got snow, because that looked like salt, debris, or whatever. But we already working on the interior of the car first. We already got the passenger side of the car done. Now we finna go ahead and work on the driver's side. But if you look at the passenger side, it looks very clean. Look at the carpets, very thoroughly vacuumed. You look at the seats. We made sure we have cleaned those efficiently. We wiped down the doors. We haven't got to the door jams and things like that because we're gonna clean those door jams when we wash the car. And we even got back here in the back. And if you see, we got some of our utensils right here in the middle, all-purpose brushes and things like that. Same thing right here. We did the doors, vacuumed the carpet, cleaned the seats, back of the seats. But we give you a quick glimpse of what it actually looked like prior to us cleaning it. If you look in here, you look at the carpet, definitely have all your typical debris inside your carpet. You look at your seats, definitely got debris all into the seats, things like that. Definitely got to pull that back. Remember, peekaboo, I see you. But we're gonna go ahead and get here, finish cleaning this interior. Even like you see in the back, you see the mats, how dirty the mats is. You got dog hair right here, but you look on the other side how clean it is. Same with the seats. So we're gonna go ahead and continue doing our job. We already got the vacuum, things like that. If you see the door jams right here, they're pretty dirty. So like I said, we're gonna wash it. We're gonna do the door jams as we wash the car. But I'm gonna continue doing my job. I hope you're having a glorious day so far, a glorious evening or afternoon. But I'm gonna go ahead and do what I need to do so you can do what you gotta do. Or you do what you gotta do so I can do what I gotta do. And I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We done finished this Chevy Trailblazer. We got the interior and the exterior completely done. Right now I'm about to start on the next car they got over here for us, which is an Audi. But I'll give you a quick glimpse. You remember that the car had all that brown, gray dirt all down the side, even in the door jams. But we got the car look amazing. Inside look good. Y'all remember what it looked like over here. Debris everywhere on the seats and on the carpet. But y'all already know we take so much pride in the work we do over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So when you take pride in whatever you're doing, the job is nothing. But I'm going to go ahead and do what I do, man. I'm going to catch y'all in them next one. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do, man. We done working on this second car right here, which is just Audi Q5. I already got the interior knocked out. Really wasn't that bad. Just had your typical debris sticks, twigs, a little bit of dog hair, just a little bit, very little, minute poquito as they say in Spanish. But the inside of the car came out well. Don't know what that spot is right here. I tried to get that out, scrubbed it, but it wouldn't come out. But got the interior of the car looking immaculate. She's definitely gonna be super happy with the interior, and definitely, she's definitely gonna be enthused with the work. But we already got the mats out. We gotta wash those out. They go to vacuum. We already got the buckets. I'm finna go ahead and do the exterior real quick, and then once we're done with the exterior, we got one more car to do here. So on that note, let me go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do. We finally got this Audi done. Got the whole car looking immaculate in and out. Still got one more car to do here, so I'm about to go ahead and pull it up, get it going, man, because it's starting to get cold. Let me see what this temperature is, man, because it's definitely cold right now. I've been freezing. Well, it's 45. Say I feel like 41. The low tonight is supposed to be 39, so that's good. It won't drop down past freezing. But I'll pull up this next car, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do. We actually on this last car of the day, which is this Buick Encore, I believe. No, it's not an Enclave, because the Enclave is the SUV. So it's an Encore. Right now, we're gonna do this exterior first. With the sun and everything going down, it's starting to get cold. I had a hard time drying off the last car. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and as I'm vacuuming the interior and stuff like that, it can air dry, and by the time I'm done with the interior, it'll still be wet enough for me to dry without it giving me a big issue. But if you look at the interior need a little work. We're gonna get in here and clean it real good. Make sure we clean these seats thoroughly, wipe down the door, same thing in the back. We're gonna get up here, vacuum it, make sure we get all this sticks and debris and stuff out. And also, if you look on the top, you can tell they've been sitting under some type of hackberry tree, because you got all this deep, thick dirt up here. But other than that, man, I'm about to go ahead and work on this exterior, get it done, get home, cook dinner. I think I'm cooking pork chops, mashed potatoes, and macaroni for the kids tonight. And then I gotta go do an event for a 50th hip hop party. But y'all already know, man, I'm gonna stay consistent, persistent, and relentless. And I hope you're doing the same, man. Find your passion, man, and before they find it for you. And I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail World, man. We finally got the last car done in the day, man. Took probably about an hour to get this car done, but we are completely done for the day. It's been a blessing. I always try to tell y'all, man, stay blessed, man. You got to stay stress-free and be able to know, man, everything that happened to you is not for a reason. Some things happen because you're just not doing what you need to. But I'm going to show y'all a quick glimpse of the interior, show y'all what it looked like. But other than that, man, the day is over with. We're about to go home and relax. Like I say, do some stuff with the kids before I go do what I need to do. But y'all already know, we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So like I try to tell y'all, when y'all take pride in whatever y'all doing, it's not considered a job. It's just you doing you. But on that note, like always, one love. Love thyself. Remember, you can't love anybody if you don't love yourself. And on that note, like always, man, peace.
Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY 38.